This is Carl with the three things I'm watching for Thursday, July the 31st, month end, first notice day. Watching out the interest rate talk from Jerome Powell yesterday. First of all, rates left unchanged, four and a quarter, four and a half. Didn't really surprise anybody. The only thing that really did stand out is for the first time in a long time, we had two votes dissented. Um, I can understand why you would want to lower interest rates, but I also agree with the Fed holding it steady for what my opinion matters. The worst thing than holding interest rates elevated for too long is lowering them and then having to jack them back up. And that is where Jerome Powell is right now. And he said that yesterday. That's where the Fed is. I understand that. With the tariff talk and some labor issues starting to surface in the US, I would hold rates steady. I would hold rates steady like the Fed did. No, Jerome Powell didn't ask me, and I guarantee you Donald Trump didn't ask me. But what I'm saying is the interest rates, I don't expect them to change. September 17th is the next Fed meeting. That'll be our next chance. We'll see what happens then. Second thing, tariffs. We're going to see the tariffs take effect tomorrow unless we see a lot of trade deals today. We got some big partners we got to work with. Yep, Taiwan, South Korea, Canada, Mexico, China. We really don't know where we're at with China. Talks have been held in Sweden the last few days, but really doesn't sound like much progress was made. Trade's pretty disappointed in that. The ones, Brazil, several tariffs are going to go into effect, but several products excluded. We got the India 25% tariff going on, a lot of tariff talk, and it's going to be pretty intense today, and I would expect tomorrow as well on that topic. And as long as we're on tariffs and interest rates, the third topic comes up, and this is fertilizer values. Urea starting to get very expensive. If we tariff Russia and start putting these other tariffs on, it's going to get even higher. The good news, the US dollar is firming a little bit. That helps our buying power. But if that dollar fades and we continue to see fertilizer ratchet up, it's going to get pretty ugly economically for corn break evens going forward. I think the market's going to have to start paying attention to this real soon. Um, we got fall applied fertilizer that we'll be staring at here in another, 3 months, 2.5 months, and farmers are, buyers are struggling. The fertilizer industry could get very interesting over the next several months here if these tariffs stay intact. So a lot watching here over the next few weeks. But those are the three things I'm watching today along with export sales. Going to throw this one in. A lot of flash sales over the past week. Don't be too surprised we don't see big numbers on corn, soybeans, and wheat going into today's report. Those are the ones I'm watching for today.